welcome back to the Bill's Garage. I'm Steve. This is Austin. We're gonna continue with the Datsun front end and suspension steering. So let me show you what's going on. So because we're using Toyota spindles and hub and control arm, I bought a Toyota tie rod ends, inner and outer tie rod, because the stock one is non-adjustable. Not this one, this one. It's non-adjustable. So I bought the Toyota stock to try to use it here, and it will not work. The issue we're having is when you put it on, it's binding on the frame when you drop it, or when there's load on the suspension. So what we got here now is this bad boy. So got these parts from Speedway Motors, just 5/8 heim joint and yeah, the sleeve, so we can adjust it. So what's gonna happen here now is it's gonna go on the top there and bottom here. All we need to do is just drill out to fit the grade 8 bolts. That way this will work. Also at the same time, I ordered the replacement center link, but there's nothing really wrong with it. It's still good, but since we were going with this, I just ordered the beefier center link, so we're just gonna upgrade that too at the same time. So we're gonna use 5/8 drill bit and drill out those areas where it needs, where the bolts will fit, and see what happens. Hopefully it'll work. Stay tuned.
It looks pretty straight.
You just put the spacer there. Straight enough. When you tighten the shit, just that one there. Okay, so we don't have a vice table, but you know, we have a vice ground. Hopefully this helps us out a little bit more, because we're having a hard time down there struggling. Okay, so after using 3 drill bits and burning them, well, you can see I'm not the best driller, but I finally got all of it drilled out. So now we can just put this thing together and hopefully it turns out good. Let's do this. Alright, so what we got here is something, hold on. Alright, so this is where we're at. So we made our own inner and outer tie rod using some swedge tubes and some heim joints and some misalignment spacers, washers, and whatever old grade 8 bolts. So we're gonna put this thing together and see how it works out. Alright, get some misalignment spacers in there, give it some room. Alright, that's good to go. Do this one.
Got all of that for outer tie rod?
Yeah, it's champ. Look at this shit. Okay, so what I got here is I put together a tension rod, only because the Toyota lower control arm and stock Datsun mounting wasn't aligning, so I came up with the same thing. Got me some swedge tubes, some heim joints, and they have spacers and everything, but I'm not going to put that in here right now. I'm just going to show you that this thing works. Okay,
So the same process like this goes over there inside.
then hey, it's even the wrong bolt. Alright, and there you go. Adjust it for whatever reason. So everything's adjustable. This is adjustable. This one down here is adjustable. Good to go. Now let's try to get some movement and see how it works out. Okay, so we're gonna just raise it up, get it off the jack stands, put some weight on it, and check out everything, see how it goes. Okay, so right now it's off the jack. I'm gonna move it around. So here, check the clearance. So clearance that way, clearance this way. Oh my goodness, we got a working suspension right now.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah. All adjustable. You can do camber, caster, whatever. We got it. So in case you're wondering about this tension rod setup, we ordered this kit from Stab Fab. No affiliations, but it saved me some time ordering this plate mounting bracket for the heim joint, but you have to weld on yourself, or they sell the whole kit if you want to, but you weld on this plate where you can mount the heim joint, and then they give you this bracket that mounts onto, you know, the body, I guess. This piece I had to change because it was short, the one they sent me, which is this piece. They sent me this piece, but it was actually too short, so I had to order that other piece to make it fit. But everything worked out good. It's gonna help me out, so in case you're interested and wondering.
Yes, sir.
Just go straight. Well, yeah. You need to go more. You went too far this side.
We need space on the other side.
Oh, you're gonna. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe move that block. Good.
So we're still working on the suspension on the Datsun, and the original shock that we ordered was a little bit too small, so kind of lowered the truck lower than we wanted, so we end up getting a longer shock, and now we have to make some mounts. Let me show you what's going on. So this is the original shock that we had, and got another shock, but it's having some issues with clearance. So we're gonna have to extend the mounting point on the top, and we're gonna have to do some modifications. So for you purist Datsun fans, you might want to close your eyes for this next part.
Just remember you got no brakes.